Hello everyone. I would like to discuss work energy theorem based numericals from the chapter work, power and energy. So first problem we will see. A bullet of mass 10 grams is fired horizontal with a velocity of 100 meter per second, 1000 meter per second from a rifle situated at a height 50 meters above the ground. If the bullet reached the ground with a velocity how much? 500 meter per second. The work done against air resistance in the trajectory of the bullet is that path. So work done against air we need to find out. So in joules, G value they give. First I will write the given data. So here mass they give 10 grams. So and its velocity they give. So initially how much? 1000 meter per second. Next at a h height how much? 50 meters. And final velocity how much? 500 meter per second they give. So work done by air resistance we need to find out. That is our target. Here G value they give 10 meter per second square. We know equation of motion V square minus U square is equal to 2AS. We can write. So in this final 500 whole square minus U value 1000 whole square is equal to 2A means 10 S we can write. So acceleration due to gravity we can write. So how much we can get here? So 25 into 10 to the power of how much? It is 4. Next, here I will consider as a 10. 100 into 10 to the power of 4 is equal to 20 S will get. So 10 to the power of 4, I am taking a common 25 minus means minus 75 we can get is equal to what value we can get? 20 into S we can get. So 110 will cancel. See here 3 only is there. Now S is equal to, we can consider what is the value? 7y500 means 000 cube by 2. So how much we can get here? 37500 will get 00. So this is a meters distance we got. So what we need to find out? Work done against air resistance. So W is equal to force into displacement. Yes, we can write. So force value what we can write? MA into S. So M value how much here? 10 grams. So we need to convert in kgs. So 10 to the power of 10 into 10 to the power of minus 3 means what we can get? Minus 2 kg we can get. So 10 to the power of minus 2 into 10 into 37500. So here what we can get here finally 110 cancel, one more 0 cancel. So 10, 1, 0, this will cancel. 3750 joules is the answer. So option is the 3750. Third option is the correct one. Next problem is. Now, a drop of mass 1 gram. So mass I will write 1 gram, nothing but 10 to the power of minus 3 kg. Is falling from a height. So means Initial velocity is 0. It is in a rest. So freely from a height, how much h is equal to 1 kilometer. I will write 10 to the power of 3 meters. It hits the ground with a speed of how much velocity v is equal to 50 meter per second. What is the work done by the unknown resistive force is equal to? Here also I will write unknown resistive force we need to find out. So here how do we can calculate means, so kinetic energy, change in the kinetic energy, change in the kinetic energy is equal to how much? Delta E, delta Ke is equal to half m final velocity square minus initial velocity square. We can do. So initial 0 means half m value how much? 10 to the power of minus 3. V value how much? 50 into 50. So how much we can get from this? So 2 zeros will cancel. So 10 to the power of minus 1. So 25 is there. 2.5 half means 1.25 joules we will get. So this is the change in the kinetic energy we can get. Now work done by a gravitational force is equal to FH we can write. So H value they gave. So F value how much we got? F not gave means MA we can write MGH. So M value how much? 10 to the power of minus 3, G 10, H value how much? 10 Q. So how much we can get? Only 10 joules we can get. Now work using of work energy theorem. Now what we can get? Change in the kinetic energy is equal to total work done. Gravitational work done by a gravitational force, work done by a unknown resistive force, that is nothing but W R we can write. I want to calculate WR. So WR is equal to delta Ke, change in the kinetic energy. WG we can write. WK how much we got? 1.25 minus. So 10 joules. 10. So we can get minus 8.75 joules we can get. So which option is the correct? To minus means first option is the correct. Next problem is a block of mass, how much they gave? 25 kg. On a smooth horizontal surface with a velocity, how much? V is equal to 3 meter per second. Meet the, what is the spring of constant, how much? K is equal to 100 newtons per meter. They give. Fixed at one end as shown in figure, the maximum compression of the spring and velocity of block as it returns to the original position respectively. Whenever this velocity of block is incident of the spring, it is compressed and returned back. How much speed it is returned back, we need to find out. That is our question. So I will write here, K is equal to how much? 100 Newton per meter they give. So here, when the block is strike the spring, the kinetic energy of the block is converted to potential energy of the spring. So means here kinetic energy means half mv square. It is converted. What I said? Kinetic energy is converted into potential energy. So kinetic energy is equal to potential energy of the spring, half kx square we can write. So from this half will cancel. So what we can get? X is equal to under root of mv square by k will get. Now we need to substitute the values. M value how much? 25 kg. V value how much? Velocity 3. 9 by k. How much? 100. So 4. So what we can get here? 3 by 2 will get. That is nothing but 1.5 meters we got. That is compressed how much? 1.5. So whenever the block is returned to original position, so then potential energy is converted into kinetic energy. So the velocity of a block is same, whatever before it is hits on that string, same only, but sign is change. How much? Opposite direction means, so sign will change means its velocity became initially how much? 3. So sign will change 3 meter per second. So which option? 1.5 correct. 3. This first option is the correct. So next problem is. A block of mass 2 kg initially at rest u is equal to 0 on the horizontal frictionless surface. A horizontal force, how much they gave? F is equal to 9 minus x square I cap newtons they gave. Acts on it when the block is x is equal to 0. When it is x is equal to 0. The maximum kinetic energy of the block x is equal to 0 meters and x is equal to 3 meters in joules in between. So what is the maximum kinetic energy we need to find out? So here work done is equal to change in the work energy theorem, change in the kinetic energy. So here change in the force, how much we can write? 9. Directly I am writing x square. So here x coordinate only, na? That is now dx we can write displacement. So with a limits of 0 to 3 we can write. After integration, what we can get here? 9x minus, this is a cube, it becomes by 3. So limits are there. So what are the limits? 0 to 3. So what we can get here? 9 into 3 minus 3 cube by 3 means 1 will cancel. So what we can get here? 27 minus what is it? So 3 into 3 into 3 I will write. This is not required. 1 3 cancel. So 9. So we can get 18 joules is the answer of this question. Okay. So next problem is. So next problem is conservation of mechanical energy. A freely falling body takes 4 seconds to reach the ground. 1 second after release, the percentage of its potential energy that it is till retained is how much? So here freely falling means initial velocity we can zero. Using of equation of motion. What is that equation of motion? Equation S is equal to ut plus half at square means first initial height I will take h1. So u2 u with 0 plus half gt square. So here how much we can get? Half g, t value for 16. So how much we can get? 8g we can get first case. After 1 second, what happened? Body at a height is equal to, I am taking a h2 height. So here h2 height already how much it is traveled means 8g. So minus remaining we can write. So what is that remaining? Half. Here also freely falling means u value 0. So half g, t means 1 square we can write. So 8g minus g by 2 we can get. So how much we can get here? So 16 minus 1 means 15g by 2 we can get. This is the one case. Next case, Percentage we need to find out. So percentage of potential energy retained. How we can write? H2 by H1 into percentage we need. So how much we can get? So H2 15G by 2 by how much? H1 value 8G. So G cancel. So what we can get? 15 by 16 we can get. That is equal to how much we can get here? Percentage into 100. So 99 point means 9.93 means 93.75% will come. So fourth option is the correct. So next problem is now a body is thrown vertically up with a certain initial velocity. Okay, the potential and kinetic energies of the body are equal. In that case, what they gave initially, kinetic energy plus is equal to potential energy they gave initially. Now, if the same body is thrown with a double velocity upwards, the ratio of potential and kinetic energy of the body when it is crossing with the same point, same height, we can consider same point, nothing but same height. So potential energy will not change, we can consider. So here I will take here total energy is equal to, we know, sum of potential energy plus kinetic energy. So these two are equal means I will write 2 potential energy. We can write. Now second case, this is the first one. So second case, how we can write means total energy means second means dash I will write is equal to kinetic energy. How we can write? Half. This is also we can write. First I will write total energy at the bottom is equal to half mu square. Generally we can write. So here also total energy at the bottom is equal to half m. Velocity is double, square we can write. So how much we can get? 4 mu by 2 we can get. That is nothing but 2 mu we can get. Or 4 mu you can write, no problem. Now total energy of second case is equal to what we can get here. So this from this what we can get? 4 total energy we can get. So total energy nothing but this is the nothing but 4. Total energy is equal to how much we got here? Total energy 2 into potential energy, nothing but 8 potential energy we can get. This is the second thing. Next 8, 1 point, same point means I am taking a P point. P point only they give. So P point. So potential energy we need to find out. Potential energy, second case, and kinetic energy ratios we need to find out. So potential energy by kinetic means total energy minus, can I write? Potential energy dash we can write. So potential height will not change, same point means potential energy I will write as it is. Total energy, how much we got here? 8 P potential energy minus dash also same height means same potential energy. So potential energy can common, it will cancel. 8 minus 1 nothing but 1 by 7 will get the answer. So which option? Third option is the correct. Next problem is two identical blocks A and B, each of mass m, resting on the smooth floor are connected by a light spring of natural length L and the spring constant K with a spring at its natural length. A third identical body C of mass, same mass only, moving with a speed V, it is initially. So along with a line joining AB, so collides with a, the maximum compression of the spring. Here, I will write this physical situation. This is a block A. Spring is attached with a block B. Both masses are same. M. Now C block, same line. C block is there, same mass. It is going with a velocity. Then it is compressed. So how much it is there? We need to find out. So compression, X value we need to find out. Now, using of conservation of momentum before, this is a before moment collision, after we can consider. So I will write conservation of momentum. How we can write before mv, after I will write this velocity small v. Now after these two masses are there, it will add mm. So its velocity big V I will write. So what we can get, mv is equal to 2 mv. So m will cancel. Capital V is equal to small v by 2. We can get first case. Now we can write kinetic energy of A block and B block of the system. We can calculate. So how we can write, half m means both masses are same, m. Velocity, how much it is there? V by 2 whole square. So how much we can get? It is 2 by 2 m, v square by 4. So 2 cancel. What we can get? mv square by 4 we can get. This is a kinetic energy. Now, from the conservation of mechanical energy, mechanical energy. So how we can write before, what is the kinetic energy is there here, this body, half m, its velocity small v square. After this velocities we derived how much? mv square by 4. Next, spring kinetic energy, half kx square we can write. From this half kx square is equal to what we can write? Half mv square minus, I will write half mv square by 2. I will write. From this 2 is the common, will cancel. Now, what we can get here means x square is equal to 2. 2 means only v square, mv square by 2 only is there. Now k will come here. Now x is equal to what we can get here. So here v will come outside the root, v under root of m by 2k will get the answer. Which option? This is the first option is the next problems. An object of mass 5 kg falls from a rest u is equal to 0 thrown a vertical distance h is equal to how much we can write? 20 meters, and attain a velocity how much? V is equal to 10 meters per second. How much work done by resistance of air on the object? Air resistance we need to find out. Work done by air resistance we need to find out. So here using our work energy theorem only. So Work done by a gravitational force, work done by a air resistance is equal to change in the kinetic energy. So half m v square only is there. This is a we can consider as a 0. So next, work done by air resistance is equal to half m v square. It is a work done by a gravitational force mgh I will write. So half m value 5, v value 10, 100 minus 5, 10, h value 20. So this is a 50. So 25 means 250 minus 10. So 1000. So how much we can get? Minus 750 joules we will get. So which option? Second option is the correct. Next problem. The velocity of a 2 kg body, mass is how much they give? 2 kg body is changed from 4i cap plus 3j cap meter per second. Velocity they give. So to 6 meter per second. The work done by a body is equal to how much? So here velocity, first one, how much they give? 5, 4 means I will take the magnitude. So 4 whole square plus 3 whole square. So how much we can get? Under root of 16 plus 9 means 25 means 5 meter per second. So V2 they gave 6 meter per second they gave. Now work energy theorem, work done is equal to change in the kinetic energy we can write. So half m value is equal to 2 into final kinetic energy, final velocity how much? 36 minus 25. That is nothing but 2 will cancel. How much we can get here? So 11 joules is the correct answer. So second option is the correct. Next, one more problem is. So here a force F is equal to how much they gave? Here I will write ay square plus by plus c acts on a body at a rest. So means here in the y direction they mentioned the kinetic energy of the body during the displacement. How much? Y is equal to minus a to y is equal to a. Take a. So here what we need to find out here? Work done only we need to find out. See here, work done is equal to force into displacement. They gave the values, limits. So minus a to e. F y direction means dy we can write. So F value they gave minus a plus a. So F value how much they gave? A y square plus by plus c into dy we can write. So here after integration I will write directly without applying the limits. So a y cube by 3 plus by square by 2 plus cy with a limits of minus a plus a we can write. So whenever we can apply the limits, what we can get here? A by 3 I will take a common. So here what we can get? A cube minus a cube means minus into minus plus a cube we can get. So b by 2 I will take a common. A square minus a square. So 0 this value plus c into a minus of minus plus a we can get. So what we can get here? A by 3 a cube. How many? 2 plus 2a. So C also will. So this is the correct answer. So which option is there? So fourth, no. Second option is the correct one. So okay, thank you.